Many students think they need big vocabulary to score high in IELTS speaking, but what they actually need is depth and real-life stories. In this video, I'll show you a Band 8-9 cue card answer for Describe a friend who learned something without a teacher, using my signature 5-step storytelling flow. Pay close attention to how the ideas are developed and connected naturally. Topic is, describe one of your friends who learned something without a teacher. I would like to describe one of my close friends, Krish, who learned something remarkable without any formal teaching. What makes his story special is his passion for art and his ability to learn independently using online resources. Before he had formally studied advanced painting techniques in college, he had already developed a deep curiosity about international art styles by watching exhibition videos and art documentaries online. This curiosity had gradually motivated him to explore new brush techniques on his own. Krish is 19 years old and currently studying painting as an art student. One day, while watching a vlogger's video from an international art exhibition showroom, he became deeply impressed by the unique brushstrokes and color blending techniques used by a famous painter. Instead of waiting for formal training, he immediately started researching the artist's journey, philosophy, and painting style. He watched multiple tutorials, analyzed different artworks, and practiced those brushstrokes repeatedly at home. After weeks of consistent effort, he successfully mastered that particular painting technique and created a stunning artwork using the same method. To make the moment even more meaningful, he gifted this painting to his teacher on his birthday as a surprise. His teacher was genuinely overwhelmed, and both his college faculty and classmates highly appreciated his dedication, creativity, and independent learning approach. What made this achievement even more special was that his inspiring gesture and artwork were later featured in the Times of India newspaper. This recognition not only boosted his confidence, but also motivated other students to start learning new skills independently, using the internet as a powerful learning tool. Overall, I strongly believe that Krish's journey will inspire many young learners to become self-driven and curious. His story clearly shows that with the right mindset, discipline, and online resources, anyone can learn valuable skills without depending entirely on a teacher. So this is how you create depth, impact, and real achievement in IELTS speaking answers. If you want more Band 8+ cue cards and examiner-focused strategies, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to IELTS with Hasit Patel. I'll see you in the next lesson.
And before you go, here is one last tip to help you get even closer to that Band 7+. Make sure you learn 5-6 strong topic-specific words for every cue card, so your vocabulary really stands out. Try to use all 3 key tenses, past, present, and future, to show your full grammatical range. And don't forget to add smooth linking words, like interestingly, however, and personally to keep your answer flowing naturally. Most importantly, always include your personal connection to the topic. That authenticity is exactly what examiners love to hear. Keep practicing, stay consistent,